Guys, in this video I will show you how you can spray in Spectre Divide, right? So on default it's letter T. If I press, as you can see here, I'm spraying. If we press escape, settings, keybinds, you can change that keybind here. As you can see here, spray, and you can change to whatever you like, right? And also if we leave a match, and also you can modify sprays, right? So what you need to do here, you need to wait for a couple of seconds. You need to go to locker, sprays, and then you can change, if you have some sprays unlocked, you can change to, for example, if I want to use the spray for a free pre-round, I can use it. But as you can see here, one spray, with one spray you cannot use, for example, post round, mid round. You need to choose from one another, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.